we gotta prep our skin. So I'll be using moisturizer. Just use a little bit because we don't want this to be like sliding off. Foundation I use is the Superstay. Yeah, so I use that one. And yeah, just put on your base. Next step is highlight. Plus also stage. It depends on a lot of things basically. I'll put on some all-time favorite highlighter duo. It's fine as is, but in real life, Sephora palette, Vivid Earth I think it's called. One called Essential. My base. Okay. Sephora palette, it's a coffee palette. This shade. Yeah, we'll just in the center. So we've got ended that out, and now I like to use this Mecca Max pen a little bit under the eyebrows, and there you go. I need to intensen my eyeshadow, so by doing that, I've got this gold cream eyeshadow similar to the other one I used earlier. And I like to put that up here just because it kind of, I don't know, it makes it fun.